Ethan, have you ever sent something important by post?
Yes, many times. Why?
And did it ever get lost or go to the completely wrong place?
Actually, yes, once. A very important document.
What happened?
I went to the post office. I did not know what to say.
So what did you do?
I just handed everything to the officer and nodded.
And?
It went to the wrong city 3 weeks late. It was a disaster.
All because of a few words you did not know how to say.
Exactly. A few words cost me 3 weeks and a lot of stress.
Today, we make sure that never happens to anyone listening right now.
Welcome to Daily English Learning. I'm Ethan.
And I am Sophia. Today, we are covering real-life English at a post office.
This topic sounds simple, but when you're standing at that counter,
And the officer is waiting and staring at you.
everything you know just disappears.
So today, we give you every word you need for every situation.
Let us get started right now. First, why is the post office tricky for English learners?
Because there are so many options, so many questions.
Regular post, express post, registered mail, courier, parcel.
Each one is different, each one costs different, each one takes different time.
And the officer asks you which one you want immediately,
And if you do not know, you just pick randomly and hope for the best.
which is exactly what causes documents going to wrong cities.
Exactly. So let's learn the difference between all of these first.
Regular post, cheapest option, slowest delivery, no tracking.
Express post, faster, a little more expensive, still basic tracking.
Registered mail, you get a tracking number, recipient signs on delivery.
Best for important documents, proof of delivery included always.
Courier, fastest option, most expensive, door-to-door delivery.
Best for urgent and valuable items that cannot be delayed at all.
And a parcel is simply a package bigger than a letter or envelope.
Now when the officer asks, which service would you like?
You actually know the answer. That is such a powerful feeling.
I wish I had known this before my disaster incident.
Everyone does, Ethan. Everyone does.
Now let's talk about sending a letter or document.
You walk up to the counter and what do you say first?
Always greet, then state your purpose immediately.
Good morning. I would like to send this letter, please.
Or, good morning, I need to send this document to another city.
The officer will ask, is this domestic or international?
Domestic means within your own country.
International means to another country.
Say, this is domestic, it's going to Chennai from Mumbai.
Or this is international. It's going to the United Kingdom, please.
Then they will ask, which service would you like?
And now you know exactly how to answer that question confidently.
Say, I would like registered mail, please. It's an important document.
Or express post, please. I need it to arrive within 3 days.
Always tell them why you need a specific service.
It helps them confirm you've chosen the right option for your need.
And it shows you know what you're doing. Very professional always.
Now, what about sending a parcel or package?
This is slightly more involved than sending a letter,
Because they need to know what's inside the package.
especially for international parcels. Customs regulations apply.
Oh, what do you say when they ask what's inside?
They will say, could you tell me what's in the parcel, please?
Say it contains some clothing and a few personal items.
Or, it's a gift, some books and chocolates for a family member.
Or it contains documents, no commercial value at all.
Be honest about what's inside. Never say something different from reality.
Why? Does it really matter?
Yes, customs can open and inspect any international parcel.
If the contents don't match what you declared, serious problems.
Delays, fines, sometimes the parcel gets confiscated completely.
Okay, honesty is definitely the best policy at a post office.
Always, without any exceptions at all.
They will also ask what is the approximate value of the contents.
Say, the total value is approximately 1,000 rupees.
Or it has no commercial value, it's just a personal gift for family.
Now let's talk about tracking and insurance.
2 things most people forget to ask about.
After you choose your service, always ask, does this come with tracking?
If it doesn't, ask, could I add tracking to this, please?
Tracking means you can check online where your parcel is at any time.
For important items, this is absolutely essential.
Never send something important without tracking, ever.
And what about insurance?
For valuable items, always ask, could I add insurance to this parcel?
The officer will ask, what is the declared value of the contents?
Say, the contents are worth approximately 5,000 rupees.
Insurance means if the parcel is lost or damaged, you get compensation.
Small extra cost, but complete peace of mind always.
I definitely needed insurance on that document that went missing.
Yes, Ethan, yes, you did.
Too soon, Sophia. Still painful.
Sorry, but now you know for next time always.
Now let's do a full real-life post office conversation together.
Yes, I'll be the post office officer, you be the customer.
Perfect. Let's begin. Good morning. Next, please. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I need to send this parcel to London, please.
Of course. Is this a personal parcel or commercial?
It's personal, a birthday gift for my sister who lives there.
Could you tell me what's inside the parcel, please?
Yes, it contains some clothes, a few books, and some Indian sweets.
And what is the approximate value of the contents?
I would say around 2,000 rupees in total.
Thank you. And how soon does it need to arrive?
Her birthday is in 2 weeks, so within 10 days would be ideal.
In that case, I would recommend our International Express service. It takes 7 to 10 working days and comes with full tracking.
That sounds perfect. Does it come with any insurance?
Basic insurance up to 1,000 rupees is included with Express. You can upgrade to full coverage for an additional charge if you wish.
Yes, please. I would like the full coverage insurance. The contents are quite valuable to me personally.
Of course, I will add that for you. Could I have the recipient's full address?
Yes, the name is Priya Ahmed, 42 Oak Street, London, EC1A1BB.
Perfect. And your name and return address, please.
Sofia Ahmed, 15 Marine Drive, Mumbai, 402.
Thank you. Here is your tracking number. You can use this to monitor your parcel online.
Wonderful. How do I use the tracking number?
Simply go to our website and enter this number in the tracking section.
Perfect. And when will it be collected from here?
It will be dispatched today and collected by our courier this evening.
That's great news. Thank you so much for your help today.
You are very welcome. Your sister will love her birthday gift.
I hope so. Thank you again. Have a wonderful day.
And scene. That went so smoothly from start to finish.
Did you notice she told them it was personal immediately?
She described the contents honestly and specifically.
She asked about tracking and insurance herself without waiting to be told.
She gave the full address clearly, including the postal code.
And she asked about the dispatch time before leaving the counter.
Every detail covered, nothing left to chance or guessing.
That's the difference between a stressful visit and a smooth one, always.
Now, what about collecting a parcel at the post office?
Sometimes parcels are held at the post office for collection.
You receive a collection notice and you need to go pick it up.
You walk in and say, "Good morning, I have a collection notice for a parcel."
The officer will ask, "Could I see some identification, please?"
Say, "Of course, here's my identity card."
Or "Here's my passport as identification."
They might also ask, "Do you have the collection slip with you?"
Say, "Yes, here is the collection slip that was left at my door."
Always bring both your ID and the collection slip together.
Without both, they usually can't release the parcel to you.
And if you're collecting on behalf of someone else?
Say, "I'm collecting this parcel on behalf of my husband. Here is his ID and a letter of authorization signed by him."
A letter of authorization, that sounds very official.
It's just a simple signed note saying, "I authorize this person to collect my parcel."
Simple but absolutely necessary in most post offices today.
Now let's quickly cover what to do when something goes wrong.
Your parcel has not arrived. The tracking shows it's stuck somewhere.
You go to the post office and say, "Excuse me, I need some help, please."
I sent a parcel 10 days ago and it has not arrived at the destination yet. Here's my tracking number. Could you check the status for me?
The officer will check and might say, "It appears to be held at customs."
Ask, "What does that mean exactly? What do I need to do?" Or, "How long will it be held there before it's released?"
Or, "Is there anything I can do to speed up the process?"
Stay calm, stay polite. These situations take time to resolve.
Frustration will not make your parcel arrive faster.
But clear communication and patience will always help the process.
Learned that lesson the hard way, unfortunately.
We all learn the hard way sometimes, Ethan.
Now let's do our final recap of everything we covered today.
First, know the difference between regular, express, registered, and courier.
Second, always state whether your item is domestic or international.
Third, be completely honest about the contents of any parcel, always.
Fourth, always ask about tracking for any important item you send.
Fifth, consider adding insurance for valuable or important parcels.
Sixth, give the full address clearly, including the correct postal code.
Seventh, when collecting, always bring your ID and collection slip.
And eighth, if something goes wrong, stay calm and ask clearly for help.
These 8 things will make every post office visit completely stress-free.
And my document will never go to the wrong city again.
Never again, Ethan, never again.
That's a promise to myself, honestly.
Listeners, the post office is simpler than it looks.
You just need the right words at the right moment.
And now you have all of them for every situation.
Drop the word post in the comments right now.
And share this with someone who has struggled at a post office before.
It might save them from a 3-week document disaster like mine.
That's all for today's episode of Daily English Learning.
Thank you so much for spending this time learning with us today.
See you in the next episode. Keep learning and keep growing always.
Goodbye, everyone. Go send that parcel with total confidence.